How to save photos to Google Photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Photos application or Google Photos application on a device. Now make sure that you're logged into your account over here. Then what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then here you can see at the very bottom the option of Photos settings. So tap on Photos settings. Now tap on the backup option over here, and as you do that, make sure that you toggle on this option of backup. Now as you do that, you can just toggle on this option, and as you toggle on this option, you can just scroll down and tap on the backup quality. Now select on backup quality and you can either select original quality that will have backup with no change to quality, or storage saver, which will store more at a slightly reduced quality. So I'm going to tap on the storage saver and then tap on select. Now go back and then you can select on the mobile data usage and so on. After that, your photos will be saved directly to Google Photos as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.